DSR Truth here, and I'm back with a brand new video. Today I'm going to be opening my 2 packages. Okay, this one is, I believe, well, I won't tell you guys because I want it to be a surprise. This one, I'm gonna like this. Alright, be right back when both packages are opened. Sorry about those screaming that you heard in the background, but this is the first package opening. The screaming was my freaking sister screaming. You can still hear her, but first package is open. Let's see what it is. It is a comb butterfly knife. This thing looks sexy, and I didn't even check it out of the packaging yet. Let's see. Oh, look at this. This thing is a beauty. Benchmade. And it actually works, which is cool. Like so, if I could do a trick, not messed up, bro. This thing looks epic. Alright, so this is the first thing that came. Okay, so the second package is now open. Alright, let's see what it is. Okay. This thing is, I custom made this. You guys probably already saw what it was, but let me take it out of the box real quick. Okay, here it is. Oh, it's kind of like, ah, my hand. Ah, my fingers. This might take a while. Oh, no. Oh, here it is. Here it is. Oh, it already looks nice. The manual, black stickers. And here is the shoulder. Hold on, I'll take it out right now. Okay, this thing looks absolutely beast. Look at it. Look at this. Look at this. This looks beast. Oh my god, it looks so nice. I do have the rapid fire mods here. All the mods that I got with it. Got the stickers over there, and this thing just looks beast. Oh, I'm definitely gonna try this out when I get home. Look at this. Oh my god. Alright. So, this is my controller that I want to show you guys. It looks really, really nice. Feels really, really comfortable too. Just all around the beast. All around the beast. Alright, well, thank you guys for watching this video. I will do gameplay with the controller. Probably, I don't know, next week or a little later, but so this controller looks really nice. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. This thing is just a beauty. Make sure you go subscribe, like the video, and comment how good you think this controller looks. Just look at it, look at it. Alright, thank you all for watching, and peace.
Up like Chewbacca, got dressed like a roster, free all of my partners. This one for Sosa and Gio, I got you. Bentley was happening, Latona was cracking. Dub TG, Daru, what it do?